Number 5. Premium Preserved Rose with Heart Necklace, a classic choice. Another excellent option featuring preserved roses paired with elegant jewelry. This gift combines natural beauty with lasting symbolism. The high-quality presentation and thoughtful design make it suitable for the most important celebrations. Why customers love it? Excellent quality and eye-catching design symbolizes eternal love through preserved natural roses. Perfect for multiple occasions beyond birthdays. Trusted brand focused on quality and customer satisfaction. Number 4. Personalized to my wife. Blanket, comfort and love combined. Sometimes the best gifts provide both emotional warmth and physical comfort. This premium fleece blanket features a touching "to my wife" message, making it a cozy reminder of your love. Comfort features: made from thick, soft flannel for ultimate coziness. Generous, 50x60 size, perfect for snuggling. Machine, washable and durable for everyday use. Versatile for use on the couch, bed, or as a decorative throw. This practical yet sentimental gift shows your dedication to her comfort and happiness. It's perfect for movie nights, reading sessions, or simply wrapping up in your love. Number 3. Preserved Rose with "I Love You" necklace. Double the romance. Why choose between flowers and jewelry when you can give both? This unique gift combines a preserved real rose with a heart-shaped necklace featuring "I love you" engraved in 100 languages. Special details: preserved galaxy rose maintains its beauty for 3 to 5 years. Double heart-shaped necklace symbolizes intertwined love necklace, cleverly hidden inside the bottom of the rose box. Zero maintenance required for the rose. This combination gift offers both visual beauty and wearable sentiment, making it an unforgettable birthday surprise that she'll treasure. Number 2. Eternal Preserved Rose, beauty that lasts. For a gift that symbolizes everlasting love, consider an eternal preserved rose. These stunning roses maintain their natural beauty for years without requiring any maintenance. No watering, no wilting, just lasting elegance. Key features: made from 100% real natural flowers using special preservation methods. Lasts 3 to 5 years with vibrant, stable color. Presented in an elegant decorative box with glass dome. No pollen, making it perfect for those with allergies. This timeless gift represents enduring emotions and serves as a constant reminder of your love, making it ideal for romantic occasions or milestone birthdays. Number 1. Moissanite Heart Necklace, timeless elegance. A stunning moissanite necklace offers the perfect blend of luxury and affordability. This heart-shaped necklace features a smile-inspired design with 7 moissanite stones totaling 1.7 carats, creating unprecedented brilliance that rivals traditional diamonds. What makes it special? Crafted from S925 sterling silver with 18K white gold coating for durability. Center stone comes with GRA certification for authenticity. Hypoallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin. Adjustable chain length, 17.7 plus 2 is extension with secure lobster clasp. This necklace arrives in a beautiful jewelry box, making it gift ready for birthdays, anniversaries, or any special occasion. The engraved "I love you" message makes it a heartfelt symbol of your commitment and affection.